If you've got any DJI camera such as the Pocket 3, I absolutely love this camera, the Action 4, the Action 5, pretty much any DJI drone, the new Osmo Nano or any GoPro, let me show you these LUTs to transform your footage. Whether you're flying a drone high above the mountains or capturing that perfect surf shot with your DJI Action or GoPro, these LUTs are designed to instantly transform your footage, giving you cinematic color, rich contrast, and more importantly, a professional look straight out of the camera. So we fine-tuned each LUT to match the unique color profiles on these cameras, such as D-Log, which is what you get on the Pocket 3, D-Cinelike, which is what you get on some of the drones, and the GoPro Flat and GoPro Log profiles. So no more guesswork, just drop them in, tweak them if you want, and you're ready to roll. Now, let me show you some before and after comparisons and how to apply them in your editor. So let's dive in. So we have multiple packs available, including a 20 and a 10 pack. So depending on what look you want, you can take a look at some of these LUTs and grab the right one for you. Now, to use the LUTs, it's really simple in Final Cut or Premiere. First, Premiere. Once installed, select your clips in Premiere Pro, go to your Lumetri color panel, and then go into Creative. Click this drop-down arrow in the Look section, and then click Browse. Then play around with the intensity here, depending on how strong or weak you want the look. In Final Cut, it's easy as well, so simply drag over the LUTs plugin, come over to the inspector and import your pack of Editor's Keys LUTs, and then select one. It's as easy as that. And again, you can simply tweak the slider to get that right look. These LUTs are all about helping you get that cinematic look faster, so you can spend less time color grading and more time creating, which is always the most important thing. You can grab the LUT pack using the link below, and don't forget to tag us in your edits. We are usually at Editor's Keys on every platform, including X, Instagram, and of course here on YouTube, we're Editor's Keys. Just tag us in because we do love to share as much content as we can, and we really like to see what people are creating with these LUTs. So thanks for watching. As always, stay creative, keep shooting, and I'll see you in the next one.